Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Alison, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of Alison, first ensure your device is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the Alison website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign Up button and click on it. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. This includes your name, email address, and a secure password. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from Alison. Check your email inbox for this confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the Alison website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the course catalog. Browse through the available courses to find the one you wish to enroll in. Click on the course title to view more details. To begin the course, click the Enroll Now button. After enrolling, the course will appear in your dashboard. Click on the course to start accessing the lessons. You can view videos, download resources, and complete assessments. Consider setting up notifications to stay updated on course progress. Explore the platform's features, such as discussion forums and support resources. Continue to engage with the materials at your own. Once you complete the course, you will receive a certificate. This certificate can be downloaded directly from your profile. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and started using Alison. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.